Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, Marissa Roots Undone, and thank you for tuning in today. And today I'm here with a November Treasure Tress unboxing. So right here I have the November Treasure Tress box, and I'm going to keep it short and sweet today and just get straight into it. So here we have the November Treasure Tress box. And as always, we receive a card inside which tells us how to use the products that are featured in this month's box. However, this month, this is also an invitation to Treasure Tress's pop-up shop party to celebrate their 3rd birthday. At the event, you'll be able to get your nails done and get your hair done, eat some cupcakes, listen to music, and also attend some beauty and business talks. So if you're available, I definitely recommend that you go and check it out. So getting into the products, first we have the Cream of Nature for natural hair apple cider vinegar clarifying rinse, followed by the Phytospecific Paris Curl Legend Curl Sculpting Cream Gel. We then have the Umberto Giannini More Than Moisture Defining Cream, which is vegan and cruelty free, followed by the Actively Paris Hair Food Pomade. We also have the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Smoothing Edge Glue, which is amazing when nothing else seems to work. And last but not least, we have some Shea Moisture and Palmer's Deep Conditioning Packs. If you didn't already know and you were interested, these boxes are £20 a month. You subscribe online and you will get these boxes delivered straight to your door every month, completely hassle-free. So I do have a discount code as well, which you can use to get money off of your first box, which is Roots Undone in capital letters. And thank you for tuning in today.